Introduction to Morphology. Hey there, language lovers. Welcome to our YouTube crash course on morphology, the study of words and how they're formed. If you've ever been curious about why words look the way they do or how they change to convey different meanings, then you're in the right place. What is morphology? Let's start with the basics. Morphology is like the detective work of language. It's all about digging into the structure of words to uncover their hidden secrets. Just like Sherlock Holmes examines clues to solve a case, linguists dive into words to uncover their morphemes, the smallest units of meaning. So, what exactly is a morpheme? Well, think of morphemes as the building blocks of words. They're the smallest meaningful units that make up our vocabulary. For example, in the word unhappiness, we have three morphemes: un, meaning not, happy, expressing the main idea, and ness, indicating a state or quality. Types of morphemes. Morphemes come in different flavors, like the toppings on a pizza. We have free morphemes, which can stand alone as words, like book or jump. Then there are bound morphemes, which need to be attached to other morphemes to make sense, like the ed in walked or the s in cats. Word formation processes. Now, let's talk about how new words are born. Just like mixing ingredients in a recipe, language has its own set of rules for creating new words. From adding prefixes and suffixes to combining existing words, there are endless ways to whip up fresh vocabulary. You might be wondering, why should I care about all this morphological mumbo-jumbo? Well, understanding morphology can unlock a whole new world of language comprehension. It's like having a secret decoder ring for deciphering unfamiliar words and grasping their meanings. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on a linguistic adventure. In the next phases of our video series, we'll delve deeper into the fascinating world of morphology, exploring its various aspects and unraveling its mysteries. Get ready to become a word wizard. I'll see you in the next phase. Exploring morphological rules. Hey, language explorers! Ready to dive deeper into the magical world of morphology? In this phase, we're going to roll up our sleeves and uncover the rules that govern word formation. Get ready to crack the code and unlock the secrets of morphological structure. Prefixes and suffixes. Let's start with prefixes and suffixes, the superheroes of word formation. These little guys pack a punch by attaching themselves to existing words and changing their meaning or grammatical function. Whether it's adding re to do to create redo or sticking ly on to quick to make quickly, prefixes and suffixes are like linguistic Lego pieces that can transform words in an instant. Roots and stems. Next up, we have roots and stems, the sturdy foundation of word structure. Roots are the core meaning-bearing units of words, while stems are the central part of a word to which prefixes and suffixes can be added. Together, they form the backbone of our vocabulary, giving words their essential meaning and structure. Inflection versus derivation. Now, let's talk about the difference between inflection and derivation. Inflectional morphemes modify a word to indicate grammatical features like tense, number, or case, without changing its basic meaning. For example, adding s to cat to make cats indicates plurality. On the other hand, derivational morphemes create new words by changing their meaning or category. For instance, adding to teach to make teacher changes the verb into a noun. Compounding and blending. Ever heard of words like brunch or motel? These are examples of compound words, where two or more words are combined to create a new word with a distinct meaning. Compounding allows us to express complex ideas in a succinct and efficient manner. Similarly, blending involves merging parts of two words to form a new word, like smog, smoke plus fog, or brunch, breakfast plus lunch. Reduplication and conversion. Lastly, let's explore reduplication and conversion. Reduplication involves repeating all or part of a word to create a new word with a related meaning, like choo-choo or bling-bling. Meanwhile, conversion changes the grammatical category of a word without altering its form, such as using text as both a noun and a verb, send me a text versus I'll text you later. By understanding these morphological rules and processes, you'll gain a deeper insight into the inner workings of language. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for dissecting words and uncovering their hidden meanings. So, keep sharpening your morphological toolkit, and get ready to wield it like Linguistic Ninja. See you soon.